Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook back button not working. So there are a few solutions. The first one is to clean reinstallation your Facebook app. Sometimes there are problems that can resolve by uninstalling and then reinstalling the app. So to do this, just go ahead and open up your settings. And then select apps and notifications. So in here you need to find your Facebook app here. So just scroll down until you find the Facebook app. There you go. So once you're here, what we need to do is click on storage and cache, and then clear your cache and storage. Once you're done, just go back and then hit the uninstall button. Okay, to reinstall the app, what we need to do is to go back to our Play Store and then just type in Facebook and then hit the install button. So just wait for it to finish downloading. Okay, so we're done reinstalling the Facebook application. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. So if not, just go ahead and try the second solution. We need to download a navigation bar. To do this, just go to your Play Store again and then search for navigation bar for Android if you're using an Android, and then hit install. Okay, once you're done installing the navigation bar, you will see it right here. So just open that one and then click agree. And then just follow these two simple steps to turn on the navigation bar. And then again, you can now check if the problem is solved or not. So if you are still having this problem, just go ahead and move on to our third solution, is to download the older version of your Facebook app. So the problem could be related to the latest update to Facebook, so we need to install the older version. But first, before we install the older version, we need to uninstall first your Facebook app. And then once you're done uninstalling your Facebook app, just go to your Google and then search for FB older version up to down, and then click the older version and click to download that one. So once you're done downloading the older version, just go ahead and click install to install the Facebook app. And that's it guys. I hope one of these solutions fix your problem. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.